Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Nurul Ashikin binti Abdullah from the EC5B. I held a position as visual manager on Taste of Kedah, so my role focused on creating and editing the visual content for the project. This included a video poster, feed posts for social media, and Instagram stories. Since the project is all about promoting the heritage and traditional food of Kedah, it was crucial that the visual capture both the authenticity of the local culture and appeal to a modern audience. I wanted the content to be visually engaging to help reach a wider audience, especially younger people at Malaysia who might not be as familiar with this tradition food. About the conflict, yes, we did encounter some creative difference within the team. For example, I'm sometimes lean toward a more modestic design for our visual and not too much kedahan, but some member felt it might stray too far from the traditional essence of the project and they want green and yellow color. Um, it was important to strike a balance between traditional and modern appeal with kedahan theme. So we had to have some discussion to make sure we were all aligned on the goals. Lastly, we faced challenge with time management as tight deadlines sometimes led to stress and miscommunication. Also, we don't have much time with our lecturer. We doesn't have a lot time to consult with our lecturer because both of us tend to busy. About my biggest contribution, we were in shaping the overall visual style and identity of the Taste of Kedah project. I think the video poster and social media content that I work on made the heritage of Kedah more appealing to younger digital audience. For example, I use vibrant colors and transition to keep the content visually interesting while ensuring that traditional element like a food presentation or historical site were highlighted thanks to Canva. This balance between modern aesthetic and cultural authenticity help us get more engagement, especially on our Instagram, Taste of Kedah. For the last question, yes, of course, yes. If I had an opportunity to do it again, I think I would start by involving the team earlier in the creative process and then to have a meeting earlier. This would make sure we are all on the same page from the beginning and avoid some of the creative conflict with each other. Also, I try to get more audience feedbacks during the process so we could tailor the visual better to what viewer respond to. It might be helpful to organize a small focus group around some tasks with different type of content to see which visual work best. And basically, I like to do it offline because I can consult with my lecturer better.